Business Model for Information Security, BMIS. Yes friends, we have already covered two elements in our earlier video. In this video we are going to see element number 3, which is process. What are the advantages of process and how we are making sure that process will be streamlined with the enterprise whenever we are talking about cyber security. Let's see in this video. Processes is something that we need to consider in every aspect in our enterprise. In a broader term, processes are divided into two mechanisms. One is internal and second is external. Now external can be further considered as in small or large or simple or complex. Now processes are something which we need to use for identification, measure, manage and control risk, and very famous availability, integrity and confidentiality, the CIA triad. Okay, I'm sure you must know this triad: confidentiality, integrity and availability. Now in this model we need to consider one more thing, and that is accountability. They derive from the strategy and implement the operational part of the organization element. And if I'm talking about the advantages of the enterprise, it must include these things, like number 1, which is meet business requirement and align with policies. No strategy is going to sustain if the plan or the strategy is not meeting the business requirement. All strategy must be flexible enough to meet the business requirement. That's a primary requirement. Now considering emergence and to be adaptability to change requirement. This means the plan or the strategy should be flexible enough that based on the changes, the strategy could have the bandwidth or have that strength or have that flexibility, then it could change also. It should not be that much adamant that based on the requirement it cannot change himself. If that could happen, then organization policy, enterprise policy will be different than what we are expecting from the cyber security strategy document. So this should be flexible enough. Next is be well documented and communicated to the appropriate human resources. Friends, note down this point. All policy must be well documented, and I bet you must have one question in CISM exam from this line. Policy should be must documented. Next is be reviewed periodically and once they are in place to ensure efficiency and effectiveness of the process. That is something which we need to consider as a standard. We must go through the strategy document, the processes, like the way we are doing auditing. It could be quarterly, it could be monthly, weekly, or based on your enterprise requirement. But that must be periodically reviewed and version control must be there, where you mention what are the things we are going to modify in that version. So that is something which we need to always consider when we are considering any change in the process. So friend, this is all about third element of BMIS, which is process. Next element, technology, we are going to cover in our next video. You can see after this video, and our earlier elements and details you can see in our description. And do subscribe friends if you are not subscribed yet, because if you subscribe and press the bell icon, you will be getting immediate notification as soon as I upload any video. and in the upcoming video I'm going to take some questions from CISM prospect viewer. Alright, so hope you've enjoyed the video. Bye bye and take care.